Chad Wilson, College Mound SUD here in Terrell, Texas. Been with the company for 25 years now. What we're doing today is putting in 12-inch Westlake C909. We're running about 17,000 feet of it. Westlake is just our go-to product. Never have I had any other salesman come out from a manufacturer to look at the job, make sure things are going right. So the lightness of the pipe is one of the main reasons of why we chose the Westlake 909. It's so much lighter than any other material that we've ever had to deal with. A two-man can lift that 12-inch piece of pipe if they had to. It's extremely lightweight. Between the 909 and the C900 of it, it's night and day difference.
I'm Mark Montgomery, Territory Manager, Westlake Pipe and Fittings. Today, as we're laying the pipe, we did a demonstration. We took a 12-inch piece of pipe and laid it across the trench and used the excavator to actually push down the pipe and create the unique fold over the trench. And typically, if you did that with conventional PVC pipe, that pipe would have failed.
The durability is second to none. I mean, it is an awesome product.
Once this pipe is buried, we're going to get minimum 100 years lifespan of this product. It will not corrode, it will not degrade. It is built to last the lifetime of the system. We're able to give you a pipe that is 42% lighter than standard materials that are out there. You have a pipe that is 3 to 4 times the impact strength. And in the end, you have a pipe with a larger ID, so you're going to get more flow out of that pipe, typically about 10 to 11% more flow in the same diameter pipe versus conventional material.